Unit 2C. Listening. Eating out. Vocabulary. Lasagna. An Italian dish made from layers of paste, meat and/or vegetables, and white sauce. Let down. Something that is disappointing because it is not as good as you expected it to be. Mousse. A cold dessert made with cream and egg whites, and with fruit, chocolate, etc., to give it a sweet taste. Out of this world. Used to emphasize how good, beautiful, etc. something is. Risotto. An Italian dish of rice cooked with vegetables, meat, etc. Taco. A type of Mexican food consisting of a fried pancake that is folded over and filled with meat, beans, etc. Vegan. A person who does not eat any animal products such as meat, milk or eggs, or use animal products such as leather or wool. Listen and repeat. Lasagna. Let down. Mousse. Out of this world. Risotto. Taco. Vegan. 2 Speaking. Work in pairs. Do the food quiz. Let's check the answer. Three. Read the listening strategy. In a listening task, you sometimes need to identify the implied context of a conversation. You have to listen for cues of the conversations, the place, time, reason, and speakers.
Lesson 2C. Exercise 3.
1. Hi, can I help you?
Yes. There are a few problems with my food. For a start, I ordered seafood risotto, not seafood pasta.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Shall I change it for you?
There's no time now. I have to get back to work for a meeting this afternoon. But that's not all. These green beans on the side are almost raw. I think the chef forgot to cook them. And to make it worse, I had to wait nearly half an hour for them.
2.
First, chop the onion and add it to your pan with some oil. You need to cook it for at least 5 minutes before you add the rice. Sophia, why are you adding the rice now? What did I just say? Cook the onion for 5 minutes. Come on, please pay attention. I want you all to finish this dish before the end of the lesson. You can even eat it if you're hungry at break time. Luke, please don't sit on the desk. You need to stand up when you're cooking.
Extract 1. 1. Why is the man talking to the waiter? To complain. 2. What time of the day is the dialogue taking place? Lunchtime. 3. Who is speaking? A teacher. 4. Where is the speaker? In a classroom. 4. Listen to a dialogue between 2 teenagers. For each question, write the correct speaker Matthew, M, or Scarlett, S. Make a note of the words that helped you to decide on the answer. Let's check the answer. 5. Put the phrases below into the correct groups. A good. A bit special, out of the world. B. Okay. Fine, nothing special, pretty average. C. Bad. A real letdown, not up to standard. Six. Listen again and match the phrases in exercise 5 with the different restaurants mentions Italian, French, Mexican, and Vietnamese. Let's check the answer.
Lesson 2C, Exercises 4 and 6. Hi Scarlett, how are you?
Hi, Matthew. I'm on the bus. We're just passing the park, so we'll be in the city centre in about 10 minutes.
Okay, I'm already here, but I don't mind waiting.
Have you chosen somewhere for dinner? What about that new Italian place on the high street?
No, my dad ate there last week. He said it was a real letdown. The food was nothing special, and the service wasn't up to standard.
Oh, forget that. When you're celebrating the end of your exams, you need somewhere good.
I agree. What about the French restaurant in the Palace Hotel? That's a bit special. I've heard the food is out of this world.
It's really expensive. Maybe we can go there next year when I finish my exams.
Okay, maybe. Look, why don't we just go to the Mexican restaurant again? I love the atmosphere there and the food is fine.
There's also the Vietnamese restaurant. The food is pretty average, but it's cheap.
Let's decide when you get here. I'm happy with the Mexican or the Vietnamese.
You should choose. It's your celebration.
Okay, let's go to the Mexican place. We can meet outside.
I'm not sure where it is. Let's meet by the post office. That way I won't get lost.
Okay, no problem. I'll go there now and wait for you.
There's no hurry. This bus isn't moving. There's lots of traffic.
Don't worry, I don't mind waiting. I can send some messages. My parents bought me a new phone. Did I tell you?
No. Has your number changed?
Of course not. You just called me.
Oh, yes. What did you do with your old phone?
I gave it to my brother.
Oh, that's a shame. It's a nice phone. And I don't like mine very much.
Sorry, I didn't think of that. Anyway, see you soon.